Okay, in last session we have considered that how to calculate the amount of forfeit of shares and reissue of shares. The last calculation we have remaining, so we will start from that. Capital reserve. So the amount of forfeit share is transferred to capital reserve in the chapter of share capital, that we have to consider in our mind. Okay, but when we calculate about the debentures sum, the amount is transferred to general reserve, but in share capital we have to transfer capital reserve. Okay, so how we have to convert them into capital reserve? With the formula of credit forfeit minus debit forfeit. Okay, so the credit forfeit we have seen at a time of forfeit of shares. When we considered credit forfeit, at a time we have to mention that how much number of shares reissued by the company. Okay, see, in this particular sum, company forfeit 1000 shares but reissue only 500 shares. Okay, so we have to consider as per number of reissued shares. See, we have to calculate one calculation. Shares 1000 and amount was rupees 7000. See, at a time of forfeit of shares. Okay, but out of 1000 forfeited shares, company reissue only 500 issue. Okay, reissue. So that we have to find out the amount. So there will be 3500 answer. Again, I repeat you that at a time of transfer capital reserve, we have to consider one more thing: credit forfeit minus debit forfeit. Credit forfeit at a time of forfeit and debit forfeit at a time of reissue. Okay, that we have to focus in mind. Now, at a time of forfeit, company have 1000 shares, but at a time of reissue, company having only 500 shares. So we have to calculate on the basis of reissue of the shares. First of all, see the calculation of forfeit of shares. Company forfeit 1000 shares and the amount of forfeit was 7000. But we have to convert into 500 shares because company reissue only 500 shares. Okay, so we have to find 3500 as credit forfeit. Okay, now as per this formula, credit forfeit amount was 3500 minus debit forfeit was 2000 as per different calculation of reissue. The difference is 1500 transferred to capital reserve. Clear? So all these calculation, and we have to prepare journal entry in the books of company, that formula that I have mentioned over here, and it is very simple to make journal entry as per different calculation. So it is very easy to journal entry all these different calculation. Okay, so one by one just we have to consider in the books of company. Number one, see, as we have discussed there, first of all we have to consider application amount, second one allotment amount, third one first call, and fourth one second call. Then after forfeit, reissue, and capital reserve amount. Okay, so first of all we need to understand, see, in this sum, amount of application